Okay, so I have to read some of this. This is number 73 out of 10.1, where they tell me a car company issues a recall for a model of car. For every 1,000 cars, the company estimates that after T weeks, f of t is 1,000 times the quantity 1 minus 2 to the minus t over 5 have received the repairs. Okay? So when I look at this thing and read that, I'm thinking this is repaired cars as a function of, what did they say the t was? Weeks. Okay? And then they asked me for A is 5 and B is 10. I'm supposed to evaluate f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Yeah, which is some kind of average change something, right? So let's sort out the interpretation part first. What are the units on f of b minus f of a?
Weeks, right?
So weeks are the what? Inputs or outputs for my function f? They're the inputs, right? So I'm putting a and b into the function f here, right? That means the function f knows how to deal with them, and so I must think that those are numbers in weeks. You guys see that? So if I take b minus a, that's a weeks. You guys see that? What are the units on the top?
Whatever you get from the function.
Yeah, whatever you get out of the function. Those are output units. What was the output unit?
Car repaired.
Cars repaired, right? So I think this is repaired cars per week.
On average.
Yeah, and it's the average between the 10th week and the 5th week. So this thing's going to be the average number of cars repaired between, repaired per week between weeks 5 and 10. You guys see that? This is like the slope of a secant line or something. That's cool. All right. So how do I calculate f of b minus f of a over b minus a?
Plug and chug.
Plug and chug? Yeah. Okay, so I'll do b minus a for you. Pretty sure that's 5.
I hope so.
Okay, what's f of b? That's 1,000 times 1 minus 2 to the
Power of negative 2.
negative 10 over 5. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract from that 1,000 times 1 minus 2 to the negative 5 over 5 is negative 1. Okay, so I got 1,000 times 1 minus 2 to the minus 2. What's 2 to the minus 2? 1/4. Right, so I'm looking at this, I'm thinking 2 to the minus 2 there. So that's a minus means it goes in the bottom, and a 2 squared is 4. So I got 1 minus 4 minus 1,000 times 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. And then this is all still over 5. And so I get 750 minus 500 over 5 gives you 50. Okay. Cool? So 50 cars on average repaired per week. Depending on what this is, that might be reasonable. And this is out of 1,000 cars, right? So this is 50 cars out of every 1,000 repaired per week. But that's really just because this unit was not quite cars repaired. This was cars repaired per 1,000 cars. Did you guys catch that at the beginning? Okay. Other questions? Everybody good with this?
Yeah, the only thing that tripped me up was the -2. I just
Oh,
didn't-
you literally
it
just
didn't-
forgot
yeah, I just
exponent
didn't-
rules?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yep.
shit happens.
Yeah.
For numbers 22, 24, and 25, was this really just